Welcome to Styling My Way. This is hosted by Design with Emma, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, May's Design Corner, Being Mel B, and Joyful Decor by Denise. And any other participants will be listed in the description box. Well, here's the area that I will be styling. And I already have some wicker baskets. This one here with a throw inside it. So I'm going to be decorating a couple of tables with wicker baskets. I have this plant, a faux plant in a wicker basket. And then here is my glass top table, a French script chair, and a marble top table that I'll be decorating as well. So now I'm going to be adding some beautiful red and white flowers in this really pretty and unique white vase. That was thrifted, and I'll place that in the center of the table. And the flowers were purchased from Home Goods. So far, I think it's looking beautiful. Next, I'm going to be adding my DIY fairy lantern. I made this quite a few years ago. And there's 3 silhouettes of 3 different fairies. And I have a flickering candle inside, which I purchased from Amazon. And next I have another candle inside a gold candle holder. And I'm just going to place it over here by the wicker basket with the greenery in it. Next is a Martha Stewart candle in the fresh water lily scent. Dollar General for that. And then for the bottom shelf, I have this little white painted bunny, and it does have a little green ribbon around its neck, and I have a lamb's ear wreath in a really pretty wired basket. And my cat Toby really likes the blanket in a basket. Next, I brought in my faux palm tree that I had ordered from Amazon a few years ago, and it's in this beautiful pot that I've had for years. I believe I purchased that at the Kroger store. And I even thought I'd show you above the window there that really pretty wall embellishment and the draperies, which I purchased from Facebook Marketplace. Okay, next I'm going to add this pillow that I had made with both my daughters and 3 of my grandsons. So I'm just going to place it here on the chair. So I'm just giving you an overall look of what I've done so far. And I do have my white hutch there on the other side of the palm tree. And I am going to add these vintage books that I thrifted. And I'm going to add that to the bottom shelf. I just felt like it needed something else. So I'm just going to move the bunny in a wicker tray over and just add the books next to it. There, I think that looks much better. Let me know what you think. And here is another wicker blanket holder. I've just rolled up a couple of my throws and placed it inside this wicker holder that I thrifted. I don't think I've ever displayed it before, but isn't that pretty? So I just put it right there by the chair. So I have quite a few wicker baskets in this Styling My Way open collaboration. And I do want to take this time to mention that Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor has many open collaborations that you're welcome to join at any time. Just let her know and she'd be happy to add you to the playlist. Okay, now I have just one more tabletop to decorate. And it is this beautiful Amish made marble top table. And I'm going to be adding a recent fairy house that me and my daughter worked together to make. Isn't it beautiful? And on this table, I have a peacock lamp that I thrifted. And I have showcased it before. A golden peacock. And then above it, I have this mirror that I also thrifted. And then next I have this terracotta potted plant with a bonsai tree in it. So I'm keeping this table rather simple. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Now please go and check out the playlist and leave everyone a comment and a like. I want to thank you all for watching. See you in the next one.